Hi my beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Coach jewelry series. It's a continuation to my jewelry series here on the lvluxegirl channel, and today I wanted to talk about a few more of the Coach items. I didn't want to leave you girls hanging. I knew I'd be back to talk about these lovely pieces. So here are most of my Coach collection, my Coach jewelry collection. And I have several of the items here. You see they still have the tags on them. So today that's what we're going to be doing, you girls. We're going to be cutting off these tags so we can get started wearing some of these lovely Coach jewelry items. I do have on a Michael Kors necklace right now, and I have on some lovely Coach hoop earrings that I showed you girls in one of my last videos. So let's get started without any further ado. So I have this pair of Coach earrings right here that I'm going to go ahead and switch out the earrings, the hoop earrings that I have on, and put on these lovely heart earrings. Let me put my glasses on, you guys. Don't be talking about me. I know I have my nerdy girl glasses on, but that's the only way I'm going to see some of these tags. So I wanted to be able to tell you girls what we're working with. So this particular, and some of the jewelry items, I noticed they don't even have the names of them. So I'll probably have to look for the names of them on the website. I'll try to, and if I find them, I'll go ahead and include them in the video. Like I said, so this particular pair of Coach earrings does not have the name on them, but they're a lovely pair of dangle heart Coach earrings. So let me go ahead and put these in and replace the hoop earrings that I currently have on. Okay, you girls, so I'm back, and you see I have the lovely heart dangle earrings on now. I have the lovely heart dangle earrings that I had in this box. I currently went ahead and replaced them, and I went ahead and took the lovely Coach dangle hoop earrings out that I was previously wearing. So let me go ahead and clip the tags off. We're going to have to move a little bit faster. But this particular Coach bangle has a safety clasp, just like a Pandora bracelet has a safety clasp. Like my Pandora bracelet right here has this safety clasp. This Coach bracelet has a safety clasp, but it doesn't, like the Pandora one, you can take it off and remove it if you want and put it on another bangle or bracelet. This does not come off. This particular Coach bangle, and try to enclose a photo, came with a safety bangle that does came with a safety clasp that does not remove. That's okay. You guys, is my hair sticking up? Okay, that's okay. Nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and clip the tags, and I'm going to go ahead and put that bangle on. Now, I currently have on two Coach lovely bangles right here, and Swarovski crystal bracelets, and these are called slate bracelets, and I absolutely love these. I have a huge collection of these, and I learned of these off of the lovely, right here on YouTube, Minx for All. Shout out Minnie, Minx for All channel. I love her channel and her handbags, and she talked about these lovely bracelets like 4 years ago, and I went ahead and picked up several of them. So here's what the lovely Swarovski crystal bracelet looks like. I just wanted you to get a better little look of what that bracelet looks like. And I also have some of them on currently. Those are so beautiful. Okay, so next I wanted to talk about this particular bangle. Let me go ahead and clip the tags, and then we can go ahead and talk about them. I love the Coach jewelry. When you go to the Coach outlet, of course they have in the front of the store just all the earrings and bracelets and bangles. Just normally they have a display right there by the cash register with all of the lovely jewelry items. And then of course you can order them online. I like ordering them online as well. Or sometimes they come into your local TJ Maxx at quite a bit of a discounted price. So I picked up some of these online, and I picked up some of these at my local TJ Maxx where I got a very good discounted price for them. And I think that was pretty good. I enjoyed that. So here is my lovely bangle. So this bangle just slides right on. I do have on several of the hinged bangles by Coach right here. I'm going to go ahead, and this bangle, you push your hand through this way, and then you just turn it, and then it stays on. You see the clasp is going to hang, but that's the way it looks right there. It's so pretty. Let me go ahead and show you girls on my mannequin so you can see what it looks like. So I'm back and I have some of the hinged bangles on my lovely mannequin right here, and I wanted to put this bracelet, this is more like a bracelet bangle, I wanted to put this bracelet bangle on the mannequin, but it couldn't fit. The mannequin's hand is too big, you girls. The mannequin's wrist is about the same size as small as mine, thin, where it could fit on there, but the main part of the hand, it couldn't get over, and I don't want to stretch my bangle up. So I did go ahead and we're going to see if we could put it on this mannequin. And maybe you girls, I don't know if you girls are going to be able to see it as well on this mannequin. We're going to try. That's all we can do here on the lvluxegirl channel, is try, you guys. Okay, so there it is on this particular mannequin right here. That's the bangle right there. And once again, I'm going to put it back on my hand so you girls can see what it looks like. And then I'll just continue to wear it. Here it is right here. It's a beautiful, beautiful bangle. That's what it looks like right there, and it looks really, really nice with the hinged bangles. If you wear the stack of 3, let me take off the Swarovski crystal slate bracelets so you can see what it looks like with the bangles as I stack them. Look at how pretty that looks with the red one. Hold on, I almost pinched myself. We don't want that. Look at how that looks. That looks so pretty. The Coach bangles. Okay. I love the sound they're making, just like the Pandora bracelet. I like that. I know some people don't like when jewelry makes noise. I love the cling and the clang of that when the jewelry clangs together and makes noise. Okay, the next thing I wanted to talk about, you girls, we have several earrings that we still need to get through, but today I said I'm gonna make it my business. I'm gonna make it my business for us to get through to the necklaces. The necklaces are so pretty, so today we're gonna talk about 3 of them, and I'm gonna have pictures of them. We're gonna talk about this lovely one right here. So pretty. It's just spelled out the word Coach. Then we have the lovely horse and carriage necklace in silver. Now I also have this necklace in gold. I cannot find it. It was one of the first Coach jewelry necklaces that I purchased. I have it in the gold, the same exact necklace. I don't know where it is. I can't find it. I don't think I lost. I think it's lost somewhere right in my jewelry box or somewhere in my house. I just can't find it. So I have to look for that. And then the last and final one is so pretty. It's a Pave heart. I almost said Pave heart. It's a Pave charm necklace. It's a Pave C for Coach. It's so cute and pretty. And we talked about how Coach does some of the lovely Pave stones. And Pave is just an iridescent stone with all of them. When they're all, you know, jammed up and, you know, put together in a cluster, they're called Paves. And the cluster gives them a shimmer effect of the Paves. So let me see if these necklaces, now this necklace right here says, it says made in Thailand, and then it says not intended for children 15 or under. We're good. But it does not say the name of the necklace. It just says Coach right there. So I will go ahead. Does it say it on this? No, it just says comparable value $118. And I paid $29.99 at TJ Maxx. And it says the comparable value is $118, which I do remember seeing this necklace on the Coach website. And I do believe it was like around $118, $126. So let me go ahead and cut the tags off so we can go ahead and get started wearing this lovely necklace. Cut the tags off. Give me just a second. Okay, I'm gonna almost be ready here, you guys. Okay, this is gonna be so cute to wear. And remember, we talked about the fact that if you're somebody that's allergic, because this is only gold tone jewelry, it's not 14 karat gold or 10 karat gold. So if you're somebody that's allergic, please remember to just, you know, wear it for the day while you're at work or when you're out, and then when you come home, take it off. Don't like wear it all day and night because I don't want it to break you out. I know I've been broken out before. by one of the necklaces, and it just irritated me a little bit because I slept in it overnight, and ever since I don't sleep in it, I don't sleep in the jewelry anymore. That one particular night, I don't know what was wrong with me, why I fell asleep with it on. But you know, this type of jewelry, as long as you take it off and don't wear it to bed, then you should be okay. It shouldn't break you out. So I was able to get it off. Here is the lovely necklace right here. Oh my gosh. Here's the lovely necklace right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the necklace that I have on so we can see what it looks like. And I'll enclose a photo as well. This lovely necklace off by Michael Kors. This is my Michael Kors lock necklace. I'm going to take that off and I'm going to put on this lovely Coach necklace. Oh, this was easy to put on by myself. Sometimes, you know, you get a little worried, and look, I like where it falls. Sometimes you get a little bit worried that you can't put on jewelry by yourself, but this one was so easy to put on, you girls, and I'm gonna have a photo of it. And then with the Coach dangle heart earrings, that looks so, so pretty. The next two that I wanted to talk about, like I said, is the Coach horse and carriage necklace. I'll have a photo of that, and the C Pave charm necklace. We'll go ahead and talk about those and try on some more jewelry here and ongoing in my series, because I don't want the video to be too long. So we'll go ahead and in upcoming videos we'll try on some more jewelry. The little studs are so beautiful. Now I like wearing the studs in the back hole. That looks so pretty to wear the studs in one of the back holes. They just look so beautiful in your ear. Let me go ahead and put this one on. Now I have to take the price tag off of this one, which should come off pretty easy. You just slide the price tag off because it has a post. And I'm just going to stick the post through my back hole. Oh, this was so easy to put on as well. And there it is. I hope the C is turned the correct way, but the paves in that C is so beautiful. If it's not, you girls tell me. I'm going to turn it around. I think it feels like it should be the other way. The C's are so beautiful on these. The paves on the C crystal of these Coach earrings are so pretty. Let me go ahead and put these on. These are like so cute. When I'm at work and I have these on, you can't say nothing to me. You can't tell me nothing. While you're speaking to me, I'm like, yes, yes, oh yes, of course. Oh, I didn't hear you. What did you say? That's how I act at work, you guys. Okay. I just love that. I just love being a little bit extra when I have these earrings in. The Huggies. I really did that a lot with the Huggies. When I wore the Huggies with my pink bag, I stayed in that pink Coach tote, my interior town tote. I stayed in that Coach bag for like a whole week just because I wanted to wear these earrings. I'm in love with these earrings. I love them so much. I wore the bag a whole week, an entire week. And anytime anybody spoke to me, I had these earrings in and I was like, oh, of course, yes, huh? What did you say? Yes? Oh, yeah, I hear you. Oh, okay, sure. I was just like really extra with putting my hair behind my ears. I have my hair up right now, but if I had my hair down, I would be like putting my hair behind my ears, my locks behind my ears, you guys. I was so extra with those earrings. So these are the paves, the C's, the Coach C paves. They're so, so cute. And then I think the next pair we should try are the dangles right here, and then we'll save the next for an upcoming video because I have more studs that go in the back hole. I have these two pair of studs right here that go in the back rear hole, depending on how many holes you have, or if you just want to wear them in the front. You know, if you only have one hole, that's fine as well. You could wear them. They're so dainty and cute in your front hole or for your only hole in your ear. And then I have this dangle pair that's going to look so, so cute. So let's go ahead and put the dangle pair on. And what I'm going to do is take my other pair of hoops out because I don't want to distract. I don't want to take away from the dangles and the lovely earrings. So let me take this last pair of hoops out that I have in, because sometimes that could be a distraction. I usually wear my earrings layered. I have 3 holes, so I wear them layered. And I also like wearing cuffs, earring cuffs. So here we go. This is what the dangles look like. These are so pretty and feminine. They're so, so pretty and feminine. I can feel how cute they look. Oh my God. I love that. They're shorter than I thought. I thought they were super long. Look at the dangles. They're so cute, right? The Coach Dangle CC earrings. Okay, let me take the price tag off. We're finally getting through some more of the Coach jewelry that I had purchased in my haul. And I told you girls we would get through it in my Coach jewelry series, but it took some time because there were several pieces and I wanted us to talk about each of them. Those dangles are so pretty, and then with the necklace, that looks really, really cute, I think. So thank you girls so much for joining me for my Coach jewelry haul and my Coach jewelry series. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick with me as we continue to talk about some more of this lovely Coach jewelry that I have that we'll be talking about. And I'm glad we were able to get through several more pieces, and we still have several more pieces that we need to get through. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye.